Ano pa tayong additional formulas of integration bukod sa tatlong pinakita ko sa inyo? But, since tinatamad ako, we will proceed with the integration by parts. That is page 293. No, so, first, ilan na lang natin yung chalk, tatlong na lang. Sana umabot. So, this is formula number 25. So, the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of the derivative of u. Now, that looks very big, no? So, I'll just give you an example for now. What I'll do is, let's say the integral of x squared sine of x dx. Now, if you look, we cannot use a u substitution. Like, let's say u is equal to x, and then d is equal to x. It doesn't work. U substitution doesn't work. So that's why we will use integration by parts. So what we will do is, it means now you will set a u and you will set a dv. No? And then that means na itong u is kukunin mo yung derivative and itong dv is kukunin mo yung integral. So in this case, pag ganito, no, if this is like the formula, like x to the power of something, y to the power of something, whatever, and then trigonometric function, sine, cosine, actually, I think it will work sa sine, cosine, but anyways, pag ganyan, ito ang gagamitin nyo for u, and ito naman ang gagamitin nyo for d. So let's write x squared sine of x. Now, ano ang derivative ng x squared? That is 2x dx. Sorry, this is sine x dx rather. Ayun, isa. And then, ano ang integral ng sine x dx? So, it's just sine x dx. Ganyan. And then, we know that this is just negative cosine x. If I'm not mistaken. I think. If I'm mistaken, hindi correct na lang ako in your room. Ang derivative lang sa is cosine. I think tama. Anyways. So yeah. So we will just put that into our formula. So now we will have is equal to u x squared. And then negative cosine of x minus the integral of v of negative cosine of x minus negative, so it's just plus, times 2x dx. Anyways, times 2x dx. Now, you will see that, well, this is another integration by parts. So let's make another substitution. So again, kung ano yung x, so let's just labas natin ito. Yan. Cosine. So u is x. Ang derivative niya is dx. Tapos, ang ating dv is cosine of x. And then ang ating v. Ang integral of cosine is sine. Kasi derivative ng sine is cosine. Anyways, yeah. And then substituting again for our formula, so this becomes negative x squared cosine of x case plus 2 times, again, ito ay magiging ito. So u x and then v sine of x minus the integral of v sine of x, and then d du is dx. And then ito, so that's almost complete. So itong sin x dx, that is just negative cosine of x, and since this minus, it will become plus. So this is just plus cosine of x. No? And then it will be plus. So our final answer is negative x squared cosine of x plus, and then this will become into plus 2x sine x plus 2 cosine of x plus. So it's a bit tedious, no? Especially if ito is magiging x to the fifth, that will be really tedious. Pero it's fine. No, that is basically integration by parts. Like in its most basic sense, that is what is integration by parts. But it's just very fun, I think. So I can just write it. So integral of u dt. So we will solve. Ano na example din? Tuturo pa ito pa isa-isa. Ituturo din naman ito ni ma'am. So no, we will just proceed with exercise number 68. No? Kasi I'm presuming na ibibigay ko lang po sa inyo after na maituro ni ma'am yung ito. Kasi ayoko pa magtuturo ang tagal. Anyways, so x e to the x. So again, here, ang x ilalagay natin ito. X du is dx. Ang d natin is e to the x dx. E to the x dx. And ang integral ng e to the x dx is just e to the x. So, in solving, so du, so equals u x, and then v e to the x minus the integral of v e to the x by e to the x, and then derivative is dx, and then ito is just, so this will become x e to the x minus, this is just e to the x. Now on the book, siya ay naka-factorize. So let's do that as well. Pero tatanggapin ko naman. It is, i-factor out yung e to the x, tapos magiging x to the x. Pero ganyan na lang. Siya na may tatanggapin ito. Hindi naman siyang masyadong choose. Number 2. Ngayon ko na rin. X squared ln of x dx. So, ang hirap is x squared. Ang du is 2x dx. Ang ating wait, no. In this case, ituturo to ni ma'am. Pero in this case, we don't know what the derivative, but the integral of ln of x is. Well, I know that. Way natin is u is instead of x, and du is equal to dx over x. Wait lang. It's over x. So, ayan. And then ang ating v is, ang ating dv is x squared. And ang ating v, ang integral ng x squared for x squared dx. Yeah, so just solve it quickly. So this becomes x cubed over 3. Now, so that becomes 1/3 x cubed. Yeah. And then we will substitute. So we'll have u x, then let's so 1/3 x cubed Walang pakisaman si basic eh. Okay lang. Anyways, so ito, magiging integral of x cubed times x over x. So this will cancel, di ba, x cubed over x. That's just x. So it simplifies to x cubed. So this becomes x over dx. And we know that this is just, so this is 1/3 x cubed of x minus 1/3. This is times, magiging 1/3 x cubed. Why does it feel so wrong? Pero tama ito ha. Yan. This is 1/3. So, yeah. Final answer. Pero pwede rin natin siya ngayon. So, anyways, 1/3 x cubed of x minus 1/9 x cubed plus. Pwede natin siya ngayon factor out yung 1/3. Pero that is not necessary. 1/3 x cubed log of x minus 1/3 plus. Hindi ko mali. Tama ko. Hindi ko lang siya masya kasi I'm using my phone to record. I mean, I can use my other phone. I'm not in the phone. Let's see. Number 3 is theta cosine theta. Theta cosine theta d theta. Now, ang yun natin is theta. Ang du is d theta. Ang ating d is cosine theta d theta. And ang ating d, ang integral ng cosine is sine since ang derivative ng sine is cosine. So, positive sine. And then we will just yung formula. So u theta, and then v sine theta minus the integral of v sine theta, and then du is d theta. Yeah. So sine theta d theta, that theta is negative cosine, negative cosine theta, and then we have negative here, so it becomes positive. So it becomes then is theta sine theta plus cosine theta plus yeah. Diba? It's very easy. Very, very, very easy. Well, it's easy for now. Like, not for long. X sine 2x. Wait lang. I'll try to solve it another way. I give up. I won't solve it that way. But anyways, so there. So is x. Ating du is dx. Ating dv is sine of 2x. Ating d is 1/2 negative cosine 2x. Anyway, tatanong niyo ba tayo may ganyan? So let's solve sine 2x. So, kailangan natin ng equalizing factor na 1/2. Tapos, ang integral ng sine is negative cosine. Yes. Yes. So, again, formula immediately, u is x, v is 1/2, negative 1/2 cosine 2x minus of v is negative 1/2 cosine. So, lalabas niya yung negative 1/2. So, e plus integral cosine 2x dx. Now, this is just magiging yung 1/2 sine 2x. Yes. Basta, shortcut ko na. Kasi, integral ng cosine is sine, and then 2/2. So, and then simplifying, it will become negative 1/2 x cosine 2x plus 1/4 sine 2x. Gusto ko ito gusto niyo yung DI method, pero hindi sure kung papayagan nito. Kasi yung DI method, it simplifies integration Sorry for the wait. Ipinos ko nga para hindi kayo maghintay. But anyways, next number. Next number is arc sine of x. Now, this is technically given doon sa back na natin sinasabi natin. Ito. It is given here. Ito mo, meron siya next natin. Ay, hindi. Hindi siya given. It's weird. It's not given. That's weird. Anyways, sige. Oh, sorry. So, arc sine of x. Now, what we will do is that u is equal to arc sine of x. And then ating b is dx. This then means that ang ating b is x. And ang b is, anong integral ng, anong derivative ng arc sine? That is 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared dx. So dx. Yeah. So what we'll do is follow that formula. It's always follow the formula. But anyways, so u is sine of arc sine of x. Arc sine of x times u, which is x, minus integral of v is x over then here we will perform a substitution. U is equal to x squared. Sorry, 1 minus x squared. Ang du is negative 2x dx. Yeah. Then 2 is negative 2, so we will multiply it by negative 1/2. Negative 1,000 is equal to 1,000. Anyways, sorry siya yung shortcut ko pa, pero intindihin niyo na. Anyways, so yan. So magiging, this is square root of u over u. Magiging integral of u to the negative 1/2 du. Dahil, ilang beses na natin itong promise, yung 1/2, so yung negative 1/2, this is just square root of u. As in, talaga. Kasi the reason for that is, diba, this is 1/2 integral of 1 over square root of u du. Kaya siya, alam kung 1/2 agad, kami square root kasi, move natin yung begin 1 over 2 square root of u du. Now, the reason is, we know that the derivative of square root of u is 1 over square root of 2 square root of u. Kaya, alam ko, I won't bore you with the details. Hindi ko na, pag meron tayo 1 over 2 square root of u, ngayon na lang natin, balik na yung square root of u. Kasi nakakatamad sa totoo lang. Kailang gano'n na ako nakakatamad. As in, I'm bored. But baby, I'm bored. So again, we know that's just square root of u. And the u natin is 1 minus x squared. So this is, so the u natin is and you follow me out and said, don't know you're passionate long love in the street. Now you think that the is yung square root of yeah. I'll marry you someday, you're perfect for me. I don't my heart just to drown me, 'cause I'm bored of this love. I'm bored. Diba ta? Anyways, bored of this heart and me. You're just way too interesting. Maybe it's hard, but nobody's listening. Don't need to walk on the door. Baby, I'm bored. So since it's with our tangent of our tangent of what? You follow me out and said, don't know Why? Gets here. Oh, Mary, someday you're perfect for me. I got in my heart just to. So, tapos ko. Anyways, you is our tangent of y. Our tangent y, then v y minus integral of y squared plus 1 y. DMD, no, DMD yun. Tapos multiply by v. Is y. And then again, substitution, u is equal to y squared plus 1, du is 2y dy, yan. And then, utilize the factor, half, tapos that will become d over u, that's just long, no? So, I will bore you, basically I'm bored. Anyways, dy, our tangent of y minus 1/2, we have an half tapos nun of y squared plus 1 plus c. Nalagyan ko ba ng plus c? Anyways, the reason why I'm doing this as well is naghihintay ako ng 10:30. Hindi pa 10:30 is kaya natin. Anyways, or kaya namin to kung 10:30 specific. Someday you're perfect for me. I got in my heart to drown away, 'cause I'm bored of this life. I'm bored. Now, what we will do here is you will x plus 1 times 1, right? So we will distribute. No? So we will have x cubed 1 of x dx plus integral 1 of x dx. Pero yung d, let's see, let me think. Kasi itong gagawin ng derivative ng integral. See, we'll do this. Pero, I guess you can use, we'll do this. This is the easier route. Or less. Basta. So let's solve x cubed log x first. X cubed. So, ang yun natin here, again, pag ganito, ang yun natin is log x. du is dx over x. Ang ating dv is x cubed dx. And then ang ating v is, anong integral ng x cubed? That is 1/4 x to the 4th. And then, follow the formula always. So u, log of x, and then v, 1/4. At saka, yan. And then minus integral of v, that's 1/4 x to the 4th times du dx over x. Yan. We'll have, this will become x cubed. No, this will become x cubed. So that will be 1/4 x. So 1/4 x to the 4th x minus 1/4. Ito magiging itong x cubed dx magiging 1/4 x to the 4th. So 1/4 is 1/16. 1/16 x to the 4th plus c. Pero those solve log of x. No, integral of log of x dx. Actually, we're already. Anyway, so u is equal to log of x. May nakata sa kabilang mo. So, this is 1 over x dx or dx x. And then, ang dv is dx, and then ang v is x. And then, we have, I think, solve na natin ito is u. So, x, 1 of x minus integral of v x times dx over x. So magkakasal ito magiging integral of dx which is just x. So minus x. Yan. So we'll just add. No, ikaw, and yan. So magiging that's our answer. Oh, my back. Oh shit, wait a minute. I'm going on course to drown, 'cause I'm bored of this love. Wait. I'm so what's this new desire for? I didn't know that much at all before, but now I'm learning. Ang derivative ng 1 of x is, ang derivative niya is du over u. So, ang yun natin in this case is 2x, magiging 2x over 2. So, 1 over x. So, ang derivative ng ano, ang derivative, for example, 1 of x, ang derivative niya is lagi sa dx over x. Which is so weird. So weird talaga. But anyways, what's going on? I've never become, but ang b natin is square root of x dx. And then ang ating b is, we'll just integrate x into 1 dx. So this is just, sinusort natin naman sa item 10th time, or at least it will be faster. So this will become W halves, so 2/3 x to the 3 halves. 2/3 x to the 3 halves. Yeah. And then half is formula u ln of 2x tapos 2/3 x to the 3 halves minus integral of v thirds x to the 3 halves times 1 for the x. Now here we'll have x squared of x over x. Now ito, inano ko lang, x to 3 halves, i-write ko lang siya as x squared of x. Pero, I can also write it as x 3 halves over x. Tapos mangyayari, x 3 halves minus 2 over 2 kasi minus 1, pero mas madali pa. No. Anyways, so this will simplify to a square of x. Yeah. Then we'll have so we don't really have that. Ayoko naman repeat. What's this new desire for? I didn't know that much before, but now I'm learning. From the first time you kissed me, when all I random street. Ganyan natin ito, di ba, 2/3, tapos magiging times 2/3 for performance. Kasi, for 9 x to the 3 halves. Plus, yan. I'm falling so bad. You're open as a spell in my heart, and ako'y ito na. Okay. Now, this is meant to be solved using integral by parts. Pero I will also show you how to solve it without using integral by parts. Kasi nakakaulit ang integral by parts. It's very, very, very nakakaulit. So, hindi natin is x, du, dx. Ating dv is yung rate. Rate. Tama na. Perfect x. Tapos ako natin. 1 x u is 1 du is equal to x beginning integral square root of u again know that it's just 3/2 u to the 2/3 u to the 3/2 and ang u natin is x plus 1. So okay, nakulat na pala 2/3 u is x plus 1. So u minus the integral of vd. So v turns minus 1 3/2 times d. So we'll just have to integrate that again. So again here u is equal to x plus 1 du is x tapos taking integral of u to the 3/2 du. So this will become 2/5 u to the 5. Ang trick dyan is, di ba? Iba yung magiging u to the 5/2. I-multiply mo lang siya by reciprocal. Di ba? 5/2 2/5. Parang hindi na magkabalan. Yes. So, ito yun. But, ang nasa, ano natin, is naka-ano sa atin eh. Oh, lobat na ako. Hinawat hanggang dito na lang kasi lobat na ako, nakakaurat. Second. Anyways, tunod na lang tapos kasi yan namin pa. Wala akong charge. Anyways, kasi dito is pinag-pro out niya yung x plus 1. Pero, huwag na naman lang. Huwag na ako kinakaman. Huwag na factor out kami yan. Patay ko yung minimum. Tapos ito na lang, basta pinagawin. Ano yung mami so, bago ko na lang mag-upload ng second part. Kasi, wala na akong charge, lobat na ako. Anyways,